So guys, click to start and type services. You only type service. Okay, right click to run as administrator. Then press W, Windows, and slow down, slow down, slow down. So this is a Windows update. Double click, stop, select automatically, then apply, then again start, then OK. Then guys select the Windows update again and then left hand side the restart option. Okay, then so restart Windows update related service also. So now press B for background intelligent transfer service. Yeah, intelligent transfer service. This is exactly. Double click, select the automatic. Okay, start, and then apply, and then OK. Then again select this intelligent background intelligent transfer service. Select this, and then right hand side is restart options there. Okay, and then close it. Then click to start and type CMD, and then right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So guys, this is 4 command is Windows officially used for the restore and corrupted file to restore. Okay, so guys, first this all command use one by one. Okay, so if you are unavailable to copy and paste, so enter the manually. Okay, then it will start like percentage, and if all 4 command are you applying, and it will start the percentage and it will stop it. So no worry, select this icon and then press the hit key in the from your keyboard. Okay, so it will start again. So no worry, it stop it. So use all 4 command one by one, and after that 100% required the restart. Okay, because of after that click to go to setting, and then click Windows icon, go to setting, then click to Windows update. Okay, and then download the update. Okay, but you have to use this all the command